Hi, I'm David Lieb. I'm 16 years old, and this is my bike check. Ride for Hyper Bike Co. And this is an MIA V2 frame. You should get it. You can get it at Albies or hyperbicycles.com. Starting with my bars, I have failure dumb bars, 8.75 rise, I think. Yeah, and then I have a Fit Bike Co stem. I traded some kid because it was silver and it kind of just completed the whole color scheme. And going to my forks, I have some snafu forks. I don't really know what they're called, but I like them a lot. Pretty nice.
Be about it long as errors in my lungs. Speaking to you as the kid and I'm as real as they come. I made $1 out of cents, got a whole nation respect. Before I was 18 and I did that without a check. See, I used to be a lame, now I'm posted in the game in the top spot. Top drop, money ain't a thing.
I'm running Demolition Momentum tires, Alienation rims, rainbow titanium spokes. I like them, really light, and profile hubs. Really good. Moving into this section of my bike, I have snafu pedals. They're really nice, pretty light, super grippy. Profile cranks, 175 millimeter. I've been running them for quite some time now, holding up real good. I have a Cult 28 tooth sprocket. I like 28 tooth because it's a little bit faster and pedal harder. And my chain is just a simple chain. I just bought it because it's cheap.
Here I'm trying top down, but I'm too high to even care. I'm on top of the world and I got my baby girl here. She ain't worried about a thing as long as daddy's right there. Yeah, yeah, from the bitches to the league. Fuck through heaven back to get a dream, cause that's a lightweight.
Back wheel pretty much matches my front wheel. So Demolition Momentum tire, Alienation runaway rim, tie spokes, profile hub. For my seat, I'm running Fit Bike Co. Slim seat, I guess. For my brakes, I'm running Odyssey lever, snafu cables, snafu gyro, fly brake arms, because I've had them for like over 2 years and always hold up good. They stop good, feel good. I'm running Cool Stop Super 2 brake pads. They're definitely the best there is. They're super sticky, they grip almost always. So yeah, that's my bike check. Enjoy these clips and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DavidLiebBMX.
Bring it back to the map, right up in the middle of it's where you finding me at. Labels wanna holler, this is where they signing me at. Cause my city told me they need me, so I'm grinding for that. Same clothes, same streets, same shop, same thieves. Same kid that used to be mopping the floors of every week. I paid the cost to be the boss, let's just say I ain't cheap. Cause now the same kids living off a check from their beat. I'm from the